Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com and I'm here with another one of my RocksBox unboxings. So if you'd like to see what jewelry is inside, then let's get started. As I mentioned in my previous RocksBox video, RocksBox so generously gave me a complimentary extension, 6-month extension to my RocksBox subscription. I've been paying for my subscription for the last several years. They've extended it to I think this is the third time that they've done it, so very thankful. I've been a huge fan of theirs. I cannot rave about this company more, so very thankful for RocksBox for doing that. And of course, I will always disclose whenever someone has paid me or sent me products for free. All of that, I want to be open and transparent as possible. So, and if you ever have a question, you feel free to ask me in the comment section. But anyway, let's get to the good stuff. So, here it is. RocksBox now has a new feature that they send you an email with the pieces that they have styled for you, but you can replace any of the items. You can swap them in for something else. Oh, new wrapping paper. Very cute. I think I did swap stuff out in this one, but I did that a few days ago and I don't remember what they were, so this will still be a surprise to me. Oh, right away I'm seeing a Kendra Scott piece. Kendra Scott has become one of my absolute favorite jewelry companies. I love them. Also, Gorjana. I'm a big fan of Gorjana. And then the last one is just a plain black dust bag. I'm going to open this one up first. Ooh, and it's a beautiful ring. Oh, I love this. You can also add rings to your wish list and then tell them what size you want depending on what finger you want to wear. So this one is gorgeous on the index finger. Check that out. Yeah, I think this is absolutely beautiful. Really pretty. Just a beautiful detail to see on someone's hand. So yeah, this might be a keeper. Okay. The next one is going to be from Gorjana. Very pretty. So this is a choker style, very delicate, fine necklace. Oh, and it's got little discs hanging off of it. Are they little? Yeah, little golden. I love the detail. I'm not sure if you can tell, but there's definitely some texture to the discs. So it's just a really pretty detail. They're not just like plain flat discs. Really like that. Yeah, I think that's so pretty. Love that. And then the last piece is from Kendra Scott. Ooh, these are something. Look at that. So beautiful. It's giving me like under the sea mermaid vibes. I don't know about you guys, but that's the mood I'm seeing here. I love them. They're absolutely beautiful. I think that right now this is as big as I will go with earrings. Maybe, I think so. I have the larger black and gold Kendra Scott earrings that were so popular when she first started becoming a household name, but I think that's a little too much for me. So I'm either gonna sell it in my Poshmark closet or I'll do another Kendra Scott giveaway. We'll see. We'll see. Make sure that you're subscribed because either way, I will announce it on my YouTube channel. But okay, let's take out that little pamphlet and read more about these pieces. It says here, hi Jessica, thanks for helping us style your set. I hope these pieces better suit your style. This orbit ring creates a chic statement look on your finger. It's perfect for daily wear and can be dressed up for special occasions. The cool blue tones of the abalone shell added dimension to the simple statement earring. These are a great complement to a blouse at work or any night out outfit. Keep up with the chic boho trend with this 5-disc choker. Make it more fun by wearing it with some bolder pieces. Enjoy. The Sophie Harper, another designer that I'm really loving. Sophie Harper Orbit Ring retails for $60, but I could buy it for a member discount price of $51. The Kendra Scott L earrings in gold abalone are $65, and the Gorjana 5-disc choker retails for $55, but I could buy it for a member discount of $53. And I have to say, I'm kind of tempted on keeping the necklace as well because it's just so pretty. You can put it on, like they said, with anything. Blouse. You can use it to layer it up because this is a choker. Then you can wear anything that's just a little bit longer and it gives you that cool layered trend look. or you could just wear these pieces on their own together. What was your favorite piece? Do you think I should keep one or all of them? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts. You can also feel free to ask any questions, make any requests, or just say hi. You guys know that I love to hear from you. If you join using my link in the subscription box, then you will get your first month of RocksBox for free. That's right, for free. I can usually fit in about 3 boxes, maybe even 4 if I'm really quick with the returning and selecting my swaps. If you enjoyed this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up and share, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that notification button right next to the subscribe button and set it for always so that you get an email whenever my videos go out. I make new videos every single week, so make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.